Hi everyone, today we're doing lo-fi CTF on TryHackMe. So one thing I want to point out straight away is that it says you can find a flag in the root of the file system. So our flag isn't in the root directory, it's in the root of the file system. And another thing here that I want to point out, it says local file inclusion and path traversal, which is pretty much just using the URL to find files on a web server, I'm guessing it would point out. So the next thing we want to do is check out our nmap scan. So we can see we have SSH open and a Part 80 web server open. So let's check out the web server first of all. So let's put in the AT here to show that it's part on Part 80. So we're just going to let this load up, and we're already in the web server. So we can see here there's nothing that really looks like local file inclusion. So let's click on relax, and we can see something popping up. Question mark page equals index.php. When you see this here, like a question and an equal sign and some variable here, this should give you a hint straight away that there may be some local file inclusion vulnerabilities, as if we back out of these two directories by doing // 3 times and do etc password, we may be able to see what users we have on the system. And you can see here that we have some users. So I'm going to look at the page source to get a better view, and I'll zoom in as well to make it easier for you all to see. You can see we have root, and we can have another 2 users here, gnats and nobody. So we can see we have, well, this one isn't a user, but this one here looks like it is a user. So next thing we could have a look at is to see about the file in the root directory. So let's get out a root, as if we back out of Linux, if I do pwd here, you can see we're in. So if I back out here and back out again, well, let's just do cd, and let's just back out of here, and let's back out again, and we should be able to see we're in the root of the file system. There's a root directory here, but there should be a flag here, as it'd probably be called flag.txt. As you can see here, root of the file system, not the root directory. So we're in this directory here pretty much on the web server. So we want to just find flag.txt and just cut the flag out, and we got the flag here and paste that in, and this should be the room pretty much done. So that's just the room done for you all.